Hello everyone, here The Witcher Old World Kickstarter Expansion. A box full of surprise. This one is the Kickstarter Expansion Pack. It includes 5 expansions available on retail. One is the Adventure Pack, one is Ciri, one is Lost Month, and then there is the Monster Trail, and as last, the Wild Hunt. And now we are going to unboxing. It's not the first time I have opened this box. I have already opened it, and I have already played a couple of this extension. As you can see, I have already organized the contents of the box, but here the purpose is to see what is included in the box. We have 2 new Witchers, Ciri and a Witcher of the Manticore School. So now the player can choose between more Witchers. Then, as you see here at center, we have a new set of miniatures. And as usual, we have a bunch of new cards. Okay, let's have a look to the big one first. Okay, these are monsters. These are the new cards of the monsters. Larger card means more dangerous monsters. Monsters are stronger, but they also have weakness. It will be more challenging for Witchers to fight with them. The monster list is the same as before. Then we have Helper card, new Helper card, updated according to the new rules introduced by the expansions. Then here we have new fighting card. So there is even a new monster fighting card set. Here we have the character from the Wild Hunt expansion, because as I said previously, we have 5 expansions in this box. This is the Kickstarter expansion box, and we have in this box Ciri expansion, Adventure Pack, Lost Month, Wild Hunt, and this one, Monster Trail. They expand the game in many ways. So this game with this expansion become very, very durable. Here another set of cards. New special card. Multi-purpose for traveling and fighting. Then here another card. Some special fighting card. Additional helper card. And other card for the Wild Hunt expansion. I will do another video to explain how to play to each and every expansion. So today we focus only on the content of the box. We have new tokens. Here we have additional token. This box is very rich. It's very rich. There is a lot of new content, new trail tokens. Then here we have not sure about this. Okay, let's come back to the card. Here another card. This one, this is exploration, sea exploration. So we can explore even the sea area now. Then we extend the quest pack. So we I have new additional 35 quests. Then here, what we have? Other 135 quests, different kind of quests. So we are expanding, thanks to this expansion, broadly the basic game. Here, what we have? Other multi-purpose cards. They are special. They look a little bit different from the standard multi-purpose card. As you see, they have a new color, gray. This is a new addition. The Witcher, in the basic game of the Witcher Old World, they can have potions. With this expansion are introduced even another kind of item, bomb, which are generally stronger than potion, but are indispensable because this expansion makes the monster stronger. So the Witcher need to find stronger weapon to confront them. Then here we have mutation. So it's possible to empower the Witcher pushing mutation that give them additional power skills. We have a bunch of them. Then we have what we have? Additional city exploration card. And here, additional wilderness exploration card. The box includes also manual for every extension. This one is the Monster Trail. Basically, this extension adds one monster, one Witcher, and several additional exploration cards, and introduce new game modes with mutation and bombs. This is one. Then there is Ciri. This is just 2 pages. This expansion introduces Ciri, so a new Witcher, all the cards related to the new Witcher, and some additional adventure. And here the Wild Hunt. The Wild Hunt maybe deviate, if I understand well, deviate a little bit the standard game. Include of course the miniature, the related card, this monster, the hounds they call. This manual is quite large actually, because this expansion allowed to play in a total new way the game. So 11 pages. I think it's now time to go to see the miniature, my favorite part, as usual. New Witcher. Very nice, highly detailed and well crafted. Ciri, very important character in the Witcher saga. Nice. A new monster. A troll. Very nice. Will be very fun to paint it. And this is the Knight of the Wild Hunt. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's give a close look to these 4 guys, the 4 knights of the Wild Hunt, And here there is the story, the lore. And here some new creature, also from the Wild Hunt. 1, 2, they move in. Very nice, look very scary also. Move in pack, because I can see here 2, 3 here. This is all the content on Parade included in the expansion box. That's all for today. What we've seen is a very rich box that extends considerably the basic game. So don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you for watching. Ciao.